it's like slice of heaven in your mouth. We're going to make a mango dessert today. We call it Mango Delight. It tastes really good. I mean, it's like slice of heaven in your mouth. It just reminds me of my childhood, my home. This is a no-bake, very easy, less than 30 minutes recipe. We need whole milk, fresh double cream, a good condensed milk, mango pulp, some pistachios for garnish, and the hero of our show, cake rusk. Mangoes are really popular in India. It's considered the king of fruits. During summer, we make all sorts of things using mangoes: curries, desserts, fruit salads, like you name it, drinks, smoothies, milkshakes. If you want to make something really easy and really delicious for your guests, this is one of the recipes. Let's start mixing things. We are gonna pour some double cream in this bowl. So here's our 500 ml of fresh double cream. We're going to add condensed milk. So here's some good condensed milk. It says forever good since 1899. I don't know what did people do before that. Don't put that. Hey cameraman, can you help me open this? Thank you cameraman for helping me with this. I think it will taste sweeter now. And then goes our mango pulp. We need 3/4 cups of mango pulp. So this is the hard bit. Make sure you do your arm exercises because you need to whisk it, whisk it. If you have an electric whisker at home, just use that. Don't be stupid like me. It's too hot to use the hand whisker. I'm just going to use my electric whisker. That was easier. Now I'm going to taste a little bit. This consistency is about right. Now we pour some milk in the bowl and then dip the rusks and then lay them in. These used to be my favorite biscuits growing up. I love them. So now we will assemble everything. We'll start by dipping the rusks in the cold milk and then we will lay them in. So this is our first layer done. Add the mixture on top of this and then repeat the process again. So that's it, that's our first layer done. Now we will repeat the process again. Ooh, it's floating. Now we do the second layer. Now we do a bit of decoration on it. are we ready? For garnishing, we have pistachio and mango pulp. Let's crush some pistachios. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah. You have fun. Let's crush them. Now, the design. And that's our mango delight done.